gonna do the ultimate slime lab.
What she said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am so excited.
Yeah,
So
I want to do the crunchy and the sparkle.
yeah, obviously you can
gonna
see there is
All this stuff.
all this. These are the slimes. So there is
The neon crunch, the crunchy slime, the galaxy glitter slime, the sparkly slime with the sequins, and the rainbow slime. We're not going to do the rainbow slime.
yeah, because it'll turn brown and we don't want the brown. So it includes white glue, two white glue bottles. I wonder why they didn't just do one big one.
Well, I'm glad they did too.
Because there's two of us. So anyways, there's a purple or looks like purple in the picture. So
Oh, it's purple. Okay.
there's a purple, a blue, a green, all the rainbow, even red. In this it has red, but not in the picture.
It looks like, yeah.
And they have colorful balls. And for the neon crunch.
And they
have
beads
fishbowl
for the crunch.
beads. We are gonna open this with scissors.
Scissors.
Yes.
What? What?
What?
Where are these? Oh, these are so cute. Where are they? I don't know where. Wait. Oh my gosh. There's distractions. Yay!
There's the instructions.
Oh my.
So this is the box. We don't need it.
It doesn't. Sparkle slime.
Anyway.
Wait. Give it to me. I want to eat it.
Yeah.
Here we go. We don't need that.
We don't need that. We are gonna put the camera down so you can see all this stuff. So I'm gonna put the camera down.
I'm gonna pour this in.
No, you're gonna pour it into the spoon.
We're gonna do two.
No, we're just gonna try one first. If it's not activating,
No,
then
2 spoonfuls.
Is that what it says?
No, I've done this before though. But we don't have the measuring cup.
Oh.
Stop moving the spoon. Okay, now pour it in. Now one more.
You're going to have an activated spoon.
Here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we mixed it up. Now I guess we're gonna start.
Yeah. It's so easy to peel off. Like
No.
They would be sticking off.
Okay, it's like kind of clear, but
So
there's
cute.
not much.
I like how small it is. It's so small.
Yeah, me too.
See, look, this is my hand. Well, my hands are really small, but
Both of ours are really small. Small girls. Okay, so now since I'm done putting that in, I'm going to put the fish bowls.
you're making the cookie slime first.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna put in this blue. That
My finger is getting
gluified. Oh wow, this is weird. It's like a watery. Oh my. So weird. It's like watery.
Hey.
That makes a beautiful teal. That looks so cool.
I don't know why I'm doing pink. I don't like pink.
I like blue, but yellow is my favorite color. That's why I'm doing blue. Pink is closer to yellow, but definitely. So it looks like that. That's what mine looks like. Right now it looks like a crunchy glob. Now, I'm not going to put any glitter in it because it didn't have any glitter in it. So, now I'm just going to activate mine. I'm going to put a little bit.
Oh. Use a spoon.
Yeah, that is good. Okay, now I'm going to put my hands in because, oh my gosh, I thought I had gloves on for a second. That was weird. Look how pretty it is. Like, I love this food dye. Oh my gosh, it's coming together.
Kind of.
Yeah. And why I put my hands in is because I don't need her help to put more activator in. Because it's like so, like, activated inside of food.
That's why you use a little bit.
Yeah. Whoa, it's like weird that the glue is like activating but not.
slime kits aren't the best, but I'm not a big fan of slime kits.
Yeah, I think homemade slime is better.
Yeah, but we just wanted to try this box out because we got a present. This was our present. Yeah. Decides to share.
Oh boy.
Wow, that looks just like the picture.
Yeah, right? Look at that. It's a little sticky though.
This is what she is trying to make.
Yeah.
The blue crunchy slime.
It does not look anything like that.
I am just making this pink sparkly one.
Oh my gosh, it's like not even like doing anything. The beads are falling out.
It's turning out like this.
It looks like a pretty color, but like
It's a cute pink.
okay, I'm probably like gonna take out most of these because I want to
Saying that I'm not a big fan of pink. Well, I don't like pink.
it's pretty. You like some pinks, okay?
Some pinks are cute and pink, but like some are just like ew.
Yeah, I'm taking some of them out of the beads because they keep on falling out. So I'm just gonna take out some of them so they can just fit in the slime. And then, oh my gosh, see what I mean? They're just falling out. So I'm taking all the loose ones out, and I probably will put them in my clear slime.
Yeah, I'm mixing up. I'm mixing up. So,
Okay, whatever. Dude, you can't even like put anything in.
I think that's enough.
Dang it.
That's enough, right?
It's not very.
There's never enough glitter, but
that's.
I think that's close to the picture. Maybe.
I don't know. Come on! What?
Okay, this is gonna be a dark pink,
Dude.
because the glitter is super dark.
There, and it said on the package there's 100 of these officials. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure there's 100. No.
Might be. Because look how much.
Wow, that is dark.
Okay, now look at mine. It's overactivated. The beads fall out. Well, the fish bowls fall out, and they're like half circle. They're not even like fish.
I'm gonna put more food dye in it.
Oh yeah. That one looks like the slime that you made. The boysenberry one.
Yeah. Should I put the big sequins?
Yes.
The big pink sequins.
Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna take out most of them because like they're already falling out.
Okay, I'm gonna put these big sequins in.
I'm gonna
Should I
start
put all of
using-
them in?
Yeah. Not all 3 of them, but like just one.
Of course not. Just this pink one.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I wish there was like something to like lotion here. Oh boy.
Well, that's a lot of sequins. I did not see that was that many.
I
You saw the bag. So this is. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Sean.
I know. I'm gonna get them off my fingers.
Okay, so this was
whatever.
a fail because it doesn't look as crunchy as the picture though.
That's how many sequins there were in that bag.
I put less glue. This isn't half of the bottle. There's still like
Mine
this
so
much
sparkly,
left,
look.
but I don't only use like that much.
Okay. Gonna mix it a real good mix.
I'm probably gonna mix this one in the next round one. See what I mean? They're like falling out everywhere.
Okay.
Dude.
I put my activator in and it's stirring around. I put a little bit of activator in because I don't want to over-activate it, so I'm going to put little by little as she like,
Yeah. It's like a waterfall coming out.
so you're taking out the
Okay, I'm
crystals.
Yeah.
But I thought, so mine is going to be more like my picture.
Well, I'm not taking out all of them. I'm just taking out the ones that are falling out. Do you feel like one of those Irish people making slime?
No.
Okay.
I feel like me making slime.
Okay, now are you almost done? Because I am done.
No.
No? I'm stirring around again. I'm stirring around. Okay.
I'm growing again.
This is my first one that I'm lotioning, rubbing in.
We are going to add some lotion to our knives. Very nice.
I'm rubbing it in. Very nice?
Yes, very nice.
I'm taller than her.
No, she's not. Nope. Okay,
You know like those little girls?
so this is what she's already added the lotion to her little blue slime. This is like the first slime that I made.
Wait, shh. See if you can hear it.
Like, subscribe, notifications, comment, and see you on next